Check this out. Chinese diesel heater. Full manual control. Ripped out all the electronics. Kept breaking down. Used a lot of electrical power as well for the glow plug. That one switches the fuel pump, glow plug, and the fan. So to turn it on, it's the fan and the glow plug on, and the fuel. Should ignite in a minute. Sounds like it's lit. It's a 5 kilowatt heater, but I've modulated it down. I calculated it's about 3 kilowatts now. I can vary the output. This is what pulses the fuel pump. It's fully adjustable. So I just calculated the output by that, using the measured amount of fuel over a set period of time. And I vary the fan speed just with resistors. Took a while to use a few different values of resistor to get the fan speed correct, to make the combustion clean, which I analysed via an exhaust gas analyzer. Exhaust pipe comes out. To shut it down, obviously fuel pump off first, then you have to leave the fan running to take away the residual heat from the heat exchanger. 2 or 3 minutes. But yeah, I've had it running about 3 years like this now. It's much better. Well, when I say much better, I mean it suits me better. Wouldn't suit everyone, I agree, but definitely I'm not going to change it back.